Hello, welcome to this guide on how to use Fubo TV. If you haven't signed up yet, get your free trial through my affiliate link in the description of this video. And now, let's get right into it. First, live guide. So in the guide section, you will find programs that are currently airing live. You can see all the channels available. And if you would like to watch something, you just click the program. Here on the left, you can also search a channel. You can also filter channels based on genres. If you have favorite channels, click the star icon on the top left corner. Your favorite channels will also be sorted on the top of your guide view. You can also reorder favorites here by drag and drop, and then you save. Next, let's go to My Stuff section. Here you will find your recordings, watch lists, continue watching, and scheduled recordings. Next, I'll show you how to add recordings and add something on your watch list. So let's go to football. When you found something interesting you want to record, you can click recording options. You can also click first the program and you will find the same option here. You can choose to only record new episodes or all episodes. Here you can also add the program to watch list. When you're in this program view and you scroll down, you find About section. You can also look for similar programs. Now if we return to the My Stuff section, we can see that our program was added to the watch list and to the scheduled recordings section. Once episodes air, they will be found in the recordings section. Now let's go to sports. Here you will find all currently available sports. Next, let's go to shows. Here you will find all the available TV shows. You can filter by genre. And you have movies section as well. If you find an interesting movie, you can play it from the start by clicking these three dots. Next, let's go to the settings. Here you will find your subscription summary. You can change your subscription plan and you can add any add-ons. You can also pause and cancel your subscription. In the My Account section, in billing, you can also change your payment method. In Device Manager, you see all devices connected to your account and you can remove a device. Let's look at My Profile. So click My Profile and then Manage Profiles. Here you can add different profiles, for example, for your friends and family. You can share Fubo TV with your family and friends. You can have 10 devices watching at the same time in your home address. And you can have 3 external devices. In the Device Manager section under My Account, you can see here how many devices you have in your home network and how many devices you have outside your home network. And that's it. If you would like to sign up for Fubo TV, you can get your free trial through my affiliate link in the descriptions of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.